welcome back. I'm on the allotment plot. Just popped down quickly. I've got some berries, berry plants that I need to put into bigger pots. So I've got 3 goji berries and I've got 3 honey berries. These have all been left outside for the last few weeks, so they're well weathered, or so they're well used to the outside. They've been out overnight when we had minus whatever temperatures. I don't know about goji berries, but I know honey berries are sort of bred originally in like Russia, where they're used to really cold winters. So both of these are really hardy and both perennials, so they'll give us lots of berries each year. I'm not sure if we'll actually get any this year because this is the first year and obviously they are quite small, but I'm going to put them in some, let me show you, nice big, I don't know if you can see that. Let me turn the camera around, I'll show you. So some nice big pots like this, so it allows them to get nice and big. It means I can move them about if I need to. And then, yeah, I can put them wherever I need to then. So just come into the greenhouse. It has been minus 6.4 this week, but also highs of 50. So yeah, still pretty cold. So that's the goji berries in these slightly smaller pots, and the honey berries are in the bigger pots, so it's 3 of each. So the honey berries, they're relatively new to the UK, but they're like long blueberries, so they're like purple but longer berries, really high in vitamin C. They're better off in at least pairs for sort of pollination. So they came in a pack of 3, which is handy. And then goji berries, I don't think they need to be in pairs. I think they're self-pollinating, but I've got 3 anyway, and they'll be here. And hopefully they'll grow nice and big and we'll get lots of berries. So I've spoken before about, I think I have spoken before about perennial plants. So a lot of fruit bushes or plants are perennial, which means they come back every year. You don't really have to do too much to them. You might need to cut them back a little bit or remove any dead leaves, but that's about it. So on our allotment plot we've got a couple of gooseberries. I've now got 3 honeyberries and 3 goji berries. We've also got lots of raspberries and lots of strawberries. and I'm hoping to try and get some loganberries and what's the other one? Kiwi. Now I can't remember that you can get a kiwi berry, so I'm hoping to try and get hold of some of them as well. My local garden centre doesn't really do things like that, but I'll have to have a look online. Oh, and I've also got blueberries. We don't have them at the allotment plot. They are in my garden, and my mum has got some in her garden. I've got 2 blueberry plants and a pink berry plant. And the reason we grow, another reason we grow lots of berries is because we try and grow things that cost a little bit more in the shops. So they cost quite a bit, especially if you want sort of organically grown ones as well. So that's why we choose to grow them ourselves. So hopefully the idea is that through the summer we don't need to buy any berries from the shops. We will have enough to support ourselves, growing either in the garden or on our allotment plot. So I'd love to know if there are any other berries that I should be growing that I haven't spoken about already, ones that you've grown yourselves and easy to look after, because that's what we like, and produce a lot of berries as well. So let me know down below. And that is it for today's video, and I'll see you all in the next one.